Let's do melon 2 ways. So I did start off with these melon bowls. I just cut some melon open and mix some fruit. These are the yogurts that I use, or alternatives. Put a little bit of fruit, put a little bit of yogurt alternative, put some more fruit and some the other one. More fruit. So you just keep on doing that, layering it. Put your favorite fruit. Granola or your favorite cereal. And enjoy it immediately. It was so delicious. Definitely something I would do all over again. Now these sausage sandwiches were so delicious. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to make them. What I did wasn't that much. So I did rub down the inside of the melon with oil. Mayo is always good for toast, in case you didn't know. Plantains. Of course, I grilled it with some smoke. Make enough sauce to use on the side.